Welcome back to the channel, fellers. In today's video, I am starting to ask you a question. Are you looking for the perfect place to build your dream home? Look no further than Hot Spring Village in Arkansas. With prime land for sale, this area offers a unique opportunity to build in a stunning location. Nestled in the heart of Spring Village, this community boasts breathtaking scenery and a warm, inviting atmosphere. So why wait? Come and see for yourself why Hot Spring Village is the ideal location to build your forever home. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Build a house in Hot Spring Village and it to a selection of 1,000 vacant lots that are perfect for anybody's new home. Whether you're planning to live here or just traveling with friends, family, or even pets, Vert Vacation Homes have the best amenities for hanging out with the people that matter most, including swimming pools. The houses and cabins are popular options for a stay in Hot Springs Village. Either way, you'll be able to rent for everyone's needs. Just buy the lot and build your vacation home here. Is Hot Springs Village a good place to live? As the largest gated community in North America, Hot Springs Village is a safe, secure place to live. The village maintains a full police force and crime rates are very low compared with other communities of a similar size. This piece of land that I am offering here has been sold under the market value, and we are also offering a seller finance, which makes it even more affordable if you don't have the total cash to pay for it now. Below, I am going to break down for you how you're going to get the installment offer. All that info is on the website. Please read it through and get back to me if you're interested in this piece of property. Please like, subscribe to it, and hit the bell for more videos.